Hello guys, welcome back to Food Crunch with Phyllis, and as usual I'm your host Phyllis Boache. Today we are going to make chicken lollipop. Yes, lollipop. Well, the first time I ever tried chicken lollipop was at a Chinese restaurant. It was so delicious and so expensive as well, so I made my own recipe and I want to show you how I prepare chicken lollipop. Stay tuned, you'll love it. Okay, we have chicken drums and we are going to remove this portion of the chicken and it will be left with only the bone. We have vinegar, garlic powder, black pepper, flour, we have salt, we have pepper, we have ketchup, we have 1 egg, soy sauce, minced ginger and minced garlic, and then red pepper. So we are going to put all of these together and then it's going to form a beautiful chicken lollipop. Mix everything and then marinate for 30 minutes. The chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes, so the next point we're going to add 1 egg and then corn flour or all-purpose flour. Actually it's all-purpose flour. Okay, and we are going to put everything together. So next I'm going to deep fry this for some few minutes to cook the chicken. Okay, deep fry to cook the whole chicken very well. We are going to make the sauce for the chicken lollipop, so we need oil, some minced ginger, minced garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, blended pepper, inti fensu kakra egum. Why some me ko adwuma we die e se wo hye nose mask. We are ode tomato ketchup ebegum. Open so I'll bit me use honey, okay, for this, but I prefer the tomato ketchup. Then I have 1 small onion which has been diced into tiny bits. Okay, add it all up, and now the best part is the chicken. Okay, now put the chicken inside. Okay, all in like this, and then stir it up. Adiana any now walk fine. You sure say bibia a bay fine. I say me fin kakra. Because there's salt already in the mix. Okay, so stir it all up, and then when you're done, the last thing you have to do is to drop your green onions. Okay, this makes it look so nice. Guys, you are done with the chicken lollipop and it's so So try it at home. Your kids are going to love it. The guests, they are all going to enjoy this chicken lollipop. Okay, thank you so much for always watching. Thanks for sharing. Kindly subscribe if you are new to the channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.